let me on behalf of all of us here express appreciation of the young journalists in all states, not only in Delhi, who have against the most difficult odds faced up to extremely challenging circumstances. We have the case of Sri Siddique Kappan, who has attracted the UAPA, which is an anti-terrorism law, because he wanted to go to Hathras to cover the story, that horrid story of that Dalit woman's assault. Then we have the case of Mr. Prashant Kanojia of Uttar Pradesh. He is already in on sedition. In a number of these cases, the courts have been, at the lower level, sometimes the courts do show some nerve and stand up, and the damn thing gets thrown out at higher levels. So this is certainly not the season to sing the praises of the government. It is no season to sing the praises of our judiciary either, I'm sorry to say. Then we have in Manipur, Mr. Kishore Chandra Wangklam. Okay, just leave this, please leave this for you. Then we had the case of Sri Dhaval Patel of Gujarat. He was in for sedition because the poor man, being a good political journalist, he was speculating on the strength of his conversation with senior politicians there about whether or not the CM is going to change in the current circumstances. This was only a few months ago. He is in for sedition. Sri Rahul Kulkarni, you'll recall when the COVID struck and people were running home and masses of people had gathered in Mumbai at various places. So Rahul Kulkarni, poor man, he thought he was doing his duty very sincerely and so on, and in he went on fake news. Anyway, he came out, the courts were kind to him. So we have numerous cases, and Neha Dikshit in Delhi, courageous woman. She's been reporting very, very fairly from the time of those JNU disturbances, and then she began to get those horrid, indecent messages which women get, and then somebody tried to break into her home. This was reported yesterday's newspapers, I think. So we are holding a meeting here, you know. Do remember that security does lie in numbers. But here are these people who as individuals summoned enough resources inside themselves to stand up, you know, to whatever the challenge that was being thrown at them by the system, by the political system as such. Bhai, kahan chala gaya wo? Anyway, Sanjay, it's all right. Shri Vinod Dua, who was himself a victim of these circumstances, has sent a message of solidarity to this meeting. So, what's happening is that one by one, it was a center of learning, which is India's #1 university, the Jawaharlal Nehru University. Then came the turn of the #2 university, the Jamia University. Both happened to be in Delhi, right? Before that, you'll recall, in the Ramjas College of Delhi, Delhi University. Again, there was, you know, the same kind of tam-jam tamasha about a year and a half. Then there are these intellectuals and I believe even people who crack jokes. They are facing a rough time, and I'm glad to say some of them are giving a rough time to the Honorable Supreme Court also. Kunal Kamra's, you know, deposition is an absolute magnificent piece of writing, something that I would be proud to write. So people at every level, whether you're a farmer, whether you're a social activist, and those hard-working women, those Pinjara-Tod women, all that they're saying is get out of this whole paternalism, feudal attitudes which are thrown at you, starting from your home, at your parents' home, and then carrying on, you know, later in life, at your workplace and in your own home. So those poor young ladies are also facing the wrath of the law and facing UAPA and NIA and God knows what else. Bail not to be offered. Bail is not on offer. So these are very unfortunate conditions of life today, and now has come the turn of those who deliver the news. Usually the news is very bad these days, So those who deliver the bad news. For the good people, God bless them, who deliver only good news, they are in a somewhat better place than we are. So we won't talk about them. And with your permission, we have crafted a short resolution after consultations here. Permit me to read that out. First of all, permit me to thank you all for being here. It's an important occasion for the community of journalists and for all the organizations involved in making this happen today. I can't thank Seema Mustafa enough, who prodded me and jogged me because I was out of town. She said, "Kahan baithe ho, jaldi aao." But little did she realize that I was fast asleep in bed when I got her messages. But she has shown real gumption here, so I thank her, I thank each one of you. And here is a resolution. And I'm glad to see that besides Rajdeep, there are others also who are, in this sorry mess today. So this is the resolution. And I hope it will be passed with a good, strong vote. It is written in my bad handwriting, not typed. This meeting expresses deep disapproval of the action of governments to seek to disrupt the work of journalists to inform the people. This meeting demands that governments withdraw the criminal charges, including that of sedition, against the editors and publications made on the 28th of January 2021 and all journalists in the country in recent years. We resolve to carry out a campaign in this regard if the charges are not immediately dropped. Our struggle will be within the ambit of the Constitution. In this endeavor, we shall bring to bear all strength at our command. So this is the resolution, and we pass kara lijiye. So do we have your support for this resolution? Okay, thank you.
On the right to report, young journalists also being just that word. Reporting is not being allowed virtually. People are covering farmers, movements and various movements, they are being harassed. Harassment of
वो उसमें आ गया है
journalists also, there are so many
journalists,
women working night and day.
work of journalists to inform the people. ये शुरुआती जुमला है यहाँ पर.
Right to
Okay.
perform their duties.
Are there any Well said, well said. Well, the word jumla has a very innocent meaning. It only means a sentence. So, एक सेकंड. इसमें से किसी का डिसेंट है क्या? हाँ. 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 उसमें अच्छा एक सेकंड. ओके, आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. देखिए, ये मेरी मन की अपनी बात थी जो आप कह रहे हैं कि मैं इसका उल्लेख करना चाह रहा था. मैंने जानबूझकर नहीं किया उसका उल्लेख. उसका एकमात्र कारण ये है कि वो एक मीडिया कंपनी है ना, ये एक सरकार को एड्रेस कर रहा है ये हमारा रेजोल्यूशन. और जहाँ तक इनकी राजदीप जी की बात है, मेरा ज़ाती तौर पे मानना है, मेरा व्यक्तिगत मत ये है कि अनेक कंपनीज, मीडिया की कंपनीज, मैं किन्हीं का नाम लेना नहीं चाहता यहाँ पर, ताकि उनके लोग एम्बेरस्ड ना हो जब वो दफ्तर जाएंगे अपने, उनकी मैनेजमेंट उनको कुछ ये नहीं करे और भी ज़्यादा, कि हमारी मैनेजमेंट्स बहुत सारी ऐसी हैं जो कि सरकार को बिल्कुल ये दिखलाना चाहती हैं कि वो विनम्रतापूर्वक सरकारों के सामने झुक जाए. और जो इनका जिस केस का आपने अभी जिक्र किया, उसका ये मतलब है कि इनको आप पनिश करके यू आर ट्राइंग टू